your head. Don't stop here. All right. Yeah, follow through. Stop fidgeting.
In the 1970s, New York graffiti, rapping, and breaking became the prime expressions of the new young people's